How to change Blackmagic camera codec on iPhone. So if you're using Blackmagic camera on your iPhone, instead of using the official camera to record on your iPhone, and now you want to change the codec, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change Blackmagic camera codec on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera on your phone. So once you open it just like this, go ahead and click on the settings J icon at the bottom right. Now once you selected that, go ahead and click on the settings J icon at the bottom right. Now once you click on that, under settings, locate recording. Under records, click on codec. Then here you can change the codec as well as the bitrate. So you can change your codec from EVIC H.65 or H.264. So preferably you should change the codec to HEVC H.265 for better performance. And once you're done, you're gonna hit the back button. So even if you exit the Blackmagic camera and then you open it again, you go back to the settings, you should see this codec set to whatever you selected here. So that is basically how to change codec on Blackmagic. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.